Hi, I'm James from the Evolution Design team here at EKM, and today we're going to be looking at our top 5 tips to help you improve your logo design. Customers' first impressions are very important. Your logo is one of the first things they'll see when visiting your website, and this can have a strong influence on how a first-time visitor will view your shop. But logos aren't there just to look pretty. When designed well, they're a powerful tool that can convey your company's values and personality. In logo design, it's certainly true that less is more. Complex designs are often too detailed to use at smaller sizes, making them less versatile. Try to avoid literal icons and instead think conceptually when designing. Incorporating simple shapes is a great way to keep your logo design simplified, ensuring an instantly recognisable mark that will only improve over time. Remember, your logo should be more of a symbol than a picture. If you can draw it without it in front of you, then your logo is probably heading in the right direction. There are millions of fonts available, and the choice can be overwhelming. When choosing a font, however, just remember these 3 key font types that work well for logo design. This trendy font type is very popular in modern logo designs. Sans serif fonts suggest an approachable and modern business. Their crisp, clean edges can work great in either lowercase or capitals. Classic in look thanks to the serifs or curls at the end of the letters, serif fonts can be a great choice for businesses that want a more traditional or classy appearance. This doesn't mean they can't look modern, however. Serif fonts suggest trustworthiness and elegance, which is why a lot of luxury brands use this font type. The third type is display fonts. These are often more decorative with a clear personality, which makes them great for when an icon might not be appropriate for your design. It's advised to use display fonts with caution, however, as some can be too intricate for logo design. A favourite of mine is the handwritten font Caveat, which is ideal when paired with a sans serif font. It's recommended the colours you choose within your logo align with your current brand colours. With this being said, colour psychology can affect perceptions and impressions of your brand, so it's important to choose your colour scheme wisely. In general, bright and bold colours are attention-grabbing and upbeat, while muted tones convey a more sophisticated image. Once you're happy with your colour palette, we recommend writing down the hex codes of the colour as a reference for any future brand documents or designs. Thinking about where your logo is going to be used is key to ensuring good readability. From large digital screens and smartphone apps to business cards and favicons, your logo needs to be easily identified at any scale. Ensure your text is well sized, and as mentioned, avoid any overcomplicated details. Try looking at your design from a distance to gauge how it will look when smaller. Our final tip is to ensure your logo elements are well spaced, balanced and aligned correctly. Try to avoid cramped or awkward spacing. Instead, utilise white space to let your logo breathe. You can also experiment with text alignment and positioning. We recommend placing all elements in the same direction, either centred or justified to the left or right. So now you understand what makes a great logo, it's time to put these do's and don'ts into practice. Sketching can be a great way to quickly explore ideas on paper. It's also a good idea to get feedback on your initial designs from friends, family, or even customers. Feedback can be invaluable and fresh eyes might spot something you didn't initially. The most obvious way to get a logo designed is to hire a professional. While usually the costliest method, this is a great way to get exactly what your business requires in a short time frame. However, for those with some design knowledge and a program like Adobe Illustrator, you can turn your ideas into pixel reality yourself. Alternatively, if you're not comfortable with the learning curve of design software, There are many online logo builders that are easy to use. EKM's logo builder is just one of them and is exclusive to EKM customers. Simply type in your company name and tagline and customise the colours, font and icon for a logo that's personal to your business. Then drop it straight into your EKM shop or save it as a PNG file.